Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to restart your Android phone without the touchscreen. So if you look at the buttons on the side, you can do the volume up or volume down and the power button at the same time. So on my Samsung, if I go volume down and power button and just hold this down, you can see the power menu, but this should restart my phone after about 10 to 15 seconds. So if you have the Bixby button or the Gemini AI button, it should prevent that from popping up. So let me go to my Google Pixel phone here and then go to the buttons on the side. So a lot of times it's just the button closer to the power button. So this is power button volume up. Should open up the power menu like that. And then just hold this down. It should just force restart your phone if it's frozen or anything like that. So if you see the power menu pop up, that's the indication that you can force restart it with those combinations. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.